and privileged to stand before you today as a guest speaker on this momentous occasion, celebrating the remarkable achievements of these young individuals who have been molded through a resilient educational foundation. For anything else, thank you, Sir Stephen, for that generous introduction. Though I consider myself as someone who has not achieved something grand or remarkable yet in my life, compared to others. Nevertheless, according to King Solomon in Ecclesiastes, everything is meaningless. It is okay that you cannot do everything you like at the same time, because there are always other equally important things that are compromised or given less attention. We live in a world that often glorifies success and measures worth by the magnitude of one's achievements. It is easy to feel insignificant and small in the face of such remarkable feats. However, today, I want to challenge the notion that greatness is solely defined by grand accomplishments. I firmly believe that there is beauty and value in every individual's journey. While society may deem your accomplishments as small or insignificant, I have come to realize that the true essence of life lies not only in the impressive milestones, but also in the moment of personal growth, resilience, and lesson learned along the way. Matthew 16:26 says that, "What profit is it for someone to gain the whole world, yet loses his soul?" Ladies and gentlemen, graduation is a time of reflection, a time to acknowledge the challenges overcome, the lessons learned, and the growth experienced throughout the years. Today, we are gathered here to celebrate not just the end of a chapter, but the beginning of a new journey. A journey that will show your solid and resilient foundation of education that each and every one of you has received. Throughout your time here at La Union National High School, you have overcome academic tension and pressure. Throughout that, you have completed the full cycle of basic education, acquired comprehensive knowledge, skills, and competencies, have encouraged to think critically and creatively, have developed practical skills relevant to your chosen tracks or strands, and essentially, you have embraced disappointments as opportunity for growth. You have been fortunate to receive an education that has prioritized not only academic excellence, but also the cultivation of the character. These values have prepared you to face the unpredictable challenges that lie ahead, and they have forged you into resilient individuals. Though trials always exist, we can say momentarily as you graduated high school, and this has led me to my first meaning of LUNHS, nagbot-bot ko gamagang meaning, lingi ug ngisi, humana sulayi. Again, lingi ug ngisi, humana sulayi. Lingi po siya makatapat sa mga classmate. Congrats! Gana!
Lingi human na sulayi.
That was my first meaning. Not di lamdag og naong ilason og sinultian. Dili ito mga meaning ha. Lingi og ngisi kay humana sulayi. Resilience is the ability to adapt and bounce back in the face of adversity. It is a quality that is indispensable in today's rapidly changing world. It is through adversity that we truly discover who we are and what we are capable of. Yet from time to time, our resilience is tested, right? In the progression of your studies during your late stage in junior high school, the COVID-19 pandemic struck. Even in the midst post-pandemic new normal, we were hit by the devastation of Typhoon Odette. During those trying times, each one of us has faced a set of obstacles, whether they were academic, personal, psychological, or societal. Yet, you have persevered, displaying an unwavering determination to succeed. You have witnessed firsthand the power of resilience throughout your educational journey. For example, from your dedicated teachers who pushed you to reach your fullest potential. They have not just molded you to be college ready or employment ready, but also life's reality ready. To the classmates and friends who stood by your side during challenging times, especially when you were doing your thesis. To the supportive families who provided you with love and encouragement. I am so proud to our beloved parents who were the leaders of resilience in every family and each home. Let us give them a resounding round of applause. Together, they have helped you build the strong foundation on which you stand today. Let us be reminded with the encouraging verse from 2 Corinthians 4, verse 8 to 9. We are pressed, but not crushed. Perplexed, but not driven to despair. Persecuted, but not forsaken. Struck down, but not destroyed. Our brand of Filipino resilience has led me to my second meaning of LUNHS. Kaduha na. Living unbounded, neglecting hardships and sufferings. Again, living unbounded, neglecting hardships and suffering. Second meaning of LUNHS. But let us not forget that this foundation is not just for your benefit alone. It is also a responsibility. A responsibility to use the knowledge, skills, and experiences gained to make a positive impact on the world around you. Your education has given you the power to effect change, to be a catalyst for progress, and to shape a better future for yourselves and the generations to come. As you embark on your new chapter of your lives, remember that your education is not a destination, but a lifelong journey. The world is ever evolving, and the skills and knowledge you have acquired will need to be continually nurtured and expanded upon. Embrace every opportunity for growth. Never stop learning, and remain open to new experiences. Allow your education to be a compass that guides you through uncharted territories and a light that illuminates your path. However, in our life, here is my third meaning of LUNHS. They're listening. Life unfolds new hurdles and struggles. That's my third meaning. Life unfolds new hurdles and struggles. We may face obstacles, but it doesn't mean there's no way out. We may stumble and fall, but it doesn't mean to just stop and surrender. We may feel weary, but it doesn't mean failure. Hardships are always present because we do not walk in the path of shortcuts. In closing, I want to congratulate each and every one of you. The diplomas you hold in your hands today represent more than just the completion of a course of study. They are a testament to your resilience, your hard work, and your unwavering commitment to excellence. As you step into the next phase of your lives, hold on to the memories, the friendships, and invaluable lessons you have learned. Cherish the foundation that has been laid, and let it serve as a reminder of the great potential that lies within each and every one of you. Most importantly, we are nothing without God in our lives. And this is my final meaning of LUNHS. Lihok ubanan natog hingpit nga salig. Again, lihok ubanan natog hingpit nga salig. Congratulations, graduates of La Union National High School Batch 2023. May you continue to thrive, May you continue to be resilient, and may you continue to be the change that our world so desperately needs. Thank you.
Thank you very much once again to our guest speaker for this year's graduation exercises, Instructor Joshua G. Rojo. Once again, let us give him a big round of applause.